Tired of repeating the same code? Let's make Python do it for us with functions. Hi, I'm Williams. Today we're going to learn how to create and use functions in Python, a key step toward writing clean professional code. So first, creating a function def create print hello from Python. So make a function read functions with parameters, and then return values, and out of A, B, return A plus B. So result equals I5 print result. Challenges. Write a function that takes two numbers and returns their average. Okay, so now you know how to create and use functions. In the next video, we'll work with strings, one of Python's most powerful data types.